Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun, easy 4th of July mani with dip powders from Bling Galleria. We're going to be doing the gel method today. We're going to start off by using white pearl, which is a beautiful shimmery pearl. Now this one right here glows in the dark. There is one that glows and one that doesn't glow. And the formula with this dip powder is consistent with both glow and non-glow, and you can see here that it's very full coverage. We're only going to do one dip of that beautiful pearl white because this is going to be the nail that we're going to add some really fun circular shaped red, white, and blue glitter. So this mani here, it's going to be very simple, but we're going to have a pop of bling on one nail with some fun circular glitter. But this one right here, it's stunning and it is very full coverage. Now with these glitters, options are going to be endless. You can do one dip if you really want like a sheer sparkly, or you can do two to build up that color and pigmentation. I'm going to do two dips with the glitter, and you're going to see here all the colors in action, and they go so well together. And this is just overall a really fun 4th of July mani. So when you do your 4th of July manis, do you gravitate towards glitters or solids or a mixture of both? I would love to know what you guys are planning for your 4th of July manis. I love glitter and I love solids, so I kind of like best of both worlds, but I love an all glitter 4th of July mani because it reminds me of like fireworks, and then when the fireworks explode, like the firework sparklies coming down. So I love glitter. It makes me think of 4th of July just because of the fireworks. But let me know what you tend to gravitate towards. Bling Galleria has so many beautiful colors, especially for the upcoming 4th of July season. So definitely after this video, head over there and check out Bling Galleria. Now, if patriotic and 4th of July colors are not your cup of tea, there are other colors and foil dip powders that will catch your eye. So we are doing the gel method today. I am not going in depth tutorial on how I am doing each step. If you want an in-depth tutorial on like the whole gel method process, I will go ahead and link that in the cards above at the end of the video. But in between each like layer of dip, you can see here I dipped and now I'm brushing off. I did cure that for 30 seconds before brushing off, but the gel method with the Bling Galleria gel base and top coat are amazing. It is like the perfect combination. If you love the gel method, these are going to be the gels that you need to check out because the consistency is perfect for dip powders. It is not that thick gel and it's not too thin. It is like the perfect consistency that works really well with dip powders, and I'm totally obsessed with it. If you've missed some of my other videos, I've been using these gel base and gel top coat in almost all my videos and in all my manis on Instagram, because I do a lot of manis as well on Instagram that I do not do on my YouTube. I've been using the gel base and the gel top coat from Bling Galleria, and it is by far amazing. The application and the end result is completely like flawless because of the consistency of these liquids. You're gonna get an amazing application where you're gonna get thin layers and you're gonna have very minimal filing and buffing, and these gel liquids do not have a scent to them and they're HEMA free. So enough about those liquids. So right now we finished up the mani and we're just gonna be adding some of these really fun red, white, and blue shaped glitter. They're circular, they're all different sizes. There's larger, there's small, there's medium size. Now you can hand place these glitters however you like, or you can do a full nail of this color here would be amazing as well. But I really liked how it looked with the different circular shapes and colors all over the nail. And then I'm adding some of those white ones as well to add some more dimension to the nail, and I really like how it turned out. So here is the finished mani, and we're just gonna go ahead and seal it now with the base coat, and I am curing that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go in with the top coat. Now, normally when I do my manis, I skip the base coat because I do not ever really experience any peeling or flaking after my mani, but since I used glitters and I did not have to file and buff with this mani, I went ahead and completed it with a gel base, cured that for 30 seconds, and now we're going to finish it off with a gel top coat. Now this gel top coat is also super shiny, and it is really awesome. You're gonna get a really pretty like slick glass effect, and the shine is gonna be unreal. You're going to see the shine here in just a moment. And here is that finished mani. You can see here that we did not do any firing and buffing. It came out perfectly with the gel method with the Bling Galleria dip powders and these liquids. And this is by far a very fun, patriotic 4th of July mani, and I love it so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you in the next upload.